All right, pitter patter, let's get out her and get some lemon balm. So you want to know about lemon balm, common balm, balm, bee balm, Melissa, balm mint, and honey balm. You came to the right place. So first off, the seeds are tiny as usual. I'll throw those up there for you so you can get a good look at them. So we're going to plant these. I'm just going to do the shake technique. And so we're not going to cover them. We're only going to do, 2 or 3 per cell. They don't need covered. They're just like the mountain mint. You just leave them on the top. But these ones, you leave them on top, but they don't need direct sunlight like the other one, like mountain mint. So just putting that out there. The germ rate, or the germ time, is about 7 to 14 days. And they prefer moist, well-drained soil. So they prefer full sun and are actually drought resistant. So for zone 6B guys like myself, man, these don't even want to shake down. There we go. Drought tolerant, and you have to keep them moist during the germination rate, for which is about 2 to 3 weeks, so 7 to 14 days. These will actually do well in a container, but you want to keep, if you're going to use them as an annual, you want to keep them about 8 to 10 inches apart. And if you want to use them a perennial, you want to keep them about 24 to 36 inches apart. Because, they get really big. Because they actually get about 30 inches tall. So, you're going to want to have that space. The main uses for them is, of course, culinary, herbal, and aromatics. And they also attract bees, birds, butterflies. So that's pretty awesome. So lemon balm is hardy in the USDA zones 5 through 10. So pretty well the midsection. We got you. Lower section. So zone 6B, it's a must. And actually in zone 6B, it can come up as a perennial. So I'm hoping once I plant these, I don't have to replant again later. They originate in the Mediterranean, Europe, and Central Asia. So, they're pretty drought tolerant, but it's got to be the bigger plants. The small plants, of course, want to keep moisture on them. All right, so if you like the video and you want to see more updates, more seed plantings, and a little bit more information about the plants you're trying to grow, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you here in a day or two.